Hello, I'm Peter, author of the Responsive Menu Pro plugin, and today I'm going to show you how to install the plugin after you made your purchase. The first thing that will happen once you made your purchase is that you should receive an email from me, which is your purchase receipt. This receipt includes information such as the installation guide links, where to download your invoice, knowledge base articles, forum and contact form links. The part we're interested in here for this tutorial is this section. If you click on this responsive-menu-pro.zip link, it will open a new tab in your browser and begin downloading the file. At this point you can click Save File, click OK, and your download will begin. This link here in your email has an expiry time of 2 weeks, so if for whatever reason you don't receive the email or the link expires, you can also get to your downloads by going straight to my website, clicking on the account link at the top, logging in, and from here you'll be able to navigate down to the bottom, find your purchase, click View Details and Downloads, and at the bottom again you've got a link to download the zip. You click on that, again the browser will ask you to download the files, so if you click Save and OK, the download will happen in the background. Now once you've got the files, if we go back to your WordPress installation, go to the plugins section, and then from here at the top we click Add New, then Upload Plugin, click Browse, select the file you downloaded, and click Install Now. At this point WordPress will try to install the file from the zip and add it to your WordPress installation. Okay, now that has been successfully installed, you can simply click on Activate Plugin, and now the plugin has been installed and activated successfully. If we now navigate to the website, you'll see that the default installation is a success. Thank you for watching and look out for the next video.